Alright folks, welcome back. This is today's turning. This is a handle from Washington Gold Fatwood. The customer didn't want me to drill the hole, but I still left the center point right there. There's some beautiful, beautiful resin fatwood. And here is some California fatwood. It burns nice too. 5/8 diameter by 5 inches long. It's also a beautiful handle and some very nice fatwood. It is beautiful. Here's the California fatwood. The main reason for this video is to shout out Dominique Menichetti. He's giving away a flint and steel striker that he made himself. I'll leave a link on the description box so you could go check him out, subscribe to him, and enter his giveaway. Handmade flint and steel striker. Now let me burn some of that fatwood shavings that I made from the lathe. Alright folks, here we go. Here's my gattling firesteel. Still going strong. There's the shavings, those two pieces of fatwood, one from Washington and one from California. Let's do this. There it is. Turn and burn. Alright folks, see you guys in the next video.